In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Fresha booking link in just 5 minutes. This handy guide is perfect for businesses looking to streamline their booking process, making it easier for clients to find and book your services online. Whether you're a seasoned Fresha user or just getting started, this tutorial will walk you through each step with clarity and ease. First off, head over to Fresha's official website specifically designed for businesses. You can find it at fresha.com/for-business. This page is your gateway to accessing all the business-centric features that Fresha offers, including the very useful online booking system. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the next stage of the process. Next, you'll want to select the For Business option. This separates the personal logins from business profiles, ensuring you access the right features for managing your enterprise. Following this, the site will prompt you to sign in using your Google account. This is a convenient option for those who prefer a quick and secure way to access different web services. Click on Sign In using Google and proceed to choose the Google account you wish to use for this. It's important to select the account associated with your business to keep things aligned. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the online booking section. This part of the Fresha platform is where you can manage how clients book your services, view your availability, and much more. It's a crucial step towards creating a link that you can share with your clients. In the online booking area, you'll find the Link Builder option. This tool is specifically designed to create custom links for your services, packages, or even specific staff members. It's a feature that allows for a great deal of customization to match your business's unique needs. Now it's time to generate your link. Click on Create Link under the Link to Services section. This is where you can specify exactly what you want your custom link to represent. It could direct clients to your overall service menu, to book with a specific staff member, or to view a special promotional package. The choice is yours, and the options are plenty. After specifying your preferences, you'll proceed to actually create the link. Click on Create Link once again. This time is to finalize the creation of your customized booking link. This step consolidates all your preferences and settings into one shareable link. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, copying your link. Once your custom link is created, it will be displayed on the screen. All you need to do now is copy this link. This can be done easily by clicking on it, which usually brings up the option to copy it to your clipboard. And there you have it. You've successfully created and copied your Fresha booking link, ready to be shared anywhere you like. Add it to your business website, social media profiles, or even in your email signature. The goal here is to make it as easy as possible for potential clients to book your services. A few additional tips to remember. Always double check which account you're logged into when creating these links, especially if you manage multiple business profiles. Also, consider where you're sharing this link. Different platforms have different best practices for how links are shared, so tailoring your approach can increase your booking rates significantly. Congratulations! You've just taken a significant step towards optimizing your business's online presence and booking process. This simple yet effective tool provided by Fresha can make a world of difference in how smoothly your services are booked and managed. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to enhance your business operations.